Fridge also eats like a fly now. To maintain that physique that Fridge now has. Fridge, what do you eat now? What's my diet on an average day?
Average day, well, I still stay away from flour and sugar.
Right.
And
Totally.
totally.
You don't touch it at all.
I don't touch it at all. And I love things like eggs, chana, peas,
Right.
provisions.
So you're eating lean, you're eating
Yeah. Vegetables,
The discipline to do that, Fridge. I mean, you maintain
The temptation is always there, you know.
Always?
Yeah, but now it's a little less so.
Right.
You know, somebody eating a pizza in front of me, I could just smile.
Because you discipline yourself.
discipline myself.
Yeah. So
I'll smile and go and cry. You know?
I'm not offering up too much today.
No.
I am doing a very simple Christmas coleslaw pasta salad. And I'm mixing in here with some cabbage. I have some red cabbage,
Right.
some white cabbage. I thought of you, I'll put some carrots in there.
Look good, man.
Yeah,
Look good.
so I'm just mixing that together. And I'm also adding some fresh ingredients. I wanted some fruit.
Right.
So I have some raisins.
Nice.
So think of your traditional coleslaw,
Right.
but you're adding pasta and coleslaw. I love to do that sometimes when I'm experimenting with recipes.
No, it looks good.
Coleslaw, pasta salad.
Yeah,
Bring it together, you
Right.
get a coleslaw pasta salad.
of course.
And you add those ingredients. So you're mixing, you're getting everything combined. That some people insist that we put some cranberries for color. So we put some cranberries in there.
So
but
I'm not partial to the cranberries. I love the cranberries.
you love the cranberries?
Give it a nice little tartness.
So obviously you're not alone. Everybody else wanted to put cranberries in it. Probably that will end of Christmas spirit as
Yeah,
well.
the cranberries look good.
And cranberries, yeah.
Yes.
So you're mixing the fruits. I also have some almonds.
Almonds, nice.
One of the things you can do with these almonds is just saute it in a pan,
Right.
bring out the flavor of the nuts a little more,
Okay.
all the oils kind of pop. So instead of just adding the raw almonds,
Right.
just
Saute it a little
toast it a little bit in a small frying pan. It really changes the flavor
Right.
of the nuts. So you add that in there, just a little crunch. Guys, so let me tell you what I did. I have a creamy balsamic dressing. Really simple, but full of big, bold flavors in this dressing. Just a cup of mayonnaise, just about a cup of mayonnaise goes in here. And you add some balsamic vinegar, some Worcestershire sauce, some Trini green seasoning, and a little bit of pepper sauce for that kick. Touch of salt, touch of pepper, and bring together. I also added just a little sugar to balance off the flavors of the balsamic and so on, just a little sugar as well. And you pour this dressing straight in there. So all I want to do, see prettiness?
Yeah, man.
Prettiness.
Presentation,
the
right?
Presentation. So as I said, as Tyrone just said, you have a nice little salad and you can serve this up here. I already put out too much for Fridge here already.
Nah, but it looks good, Joel. I like it.
And no Fridge watch me like I can't eat all that, Joel.
Right?
I can't eat all that. My brother,
We look good, man.
yeah. Take a bite. Coleslaw and pasta salad coming together. And you have a Christmas coleslaw pasta salad.
Pasta tastes different, man.
Yeah, I don't want to over-season it because
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
you know, the pasta is nice. And you're going straight for the tomatoes.
But you know, you're probably getting a different crunch with the almonds as well.
Yeah, it tastes different, yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. We had lots of fun, as I said, but still more to come. Tyrone and I will be back in just a bit because we are whipping up another cocktail.
Another one.
Another cocktail. Come on back.